Welcome to another video episode on my Arduino Mega2560 connected through SPI with Arduino Uno and through pulse width modulation with electronics and fischertechnik mechatronics. Last time I managed to get a motor running that is now standing still. This one. And I managed to get it running using this yellow wire. So how do I get it running again? Using the little wire again? We'll see. Then last time as well I reduced through this potmeter the speed of this motor. And by doing so I managed to get the SPI working quite well. The timing is a lot better now. The only thing that is not yet to my liking is the character that is being sent back from the Uno to the Mega2560. This way goes fine. That way not as much. So those are the two things that I want to see right now. And right now I am taking this wire and see if I can get that motor running. So it is connected through resistors and inductors, and if everything is alright, touching a resistor or whatever should be enough to get it running. And at this moment no such thing. Well, this LED shows that there is certainly signal over the circuit. But as yet absolutely nothing to see. So that is a disappointment, to say it like that. So if I can get the wire somewhere here in between, would it stick? Let's just see. Touching it. Last time it just started running, and well, it is quite obvious. Okay, it took some persuasion, but it does work. Hopefully it stays working. But why I do need that wire and then it keeps running, I have to find out. Maybe do a simulation or something. Haven't done that in quite some while. But with this for now solved, let's focus on SPI again and see how I can get that working exactly to my liking. So let's do that. Right, with the stuff running, let's go to something called SPI right here, and with this part of the mechatronics, because this one is attached to the and controlled by SPI, or more appropriately controlled by pulse width modulation, but it makes sure that there is in SPI signal laid back. Now the point is, what I refer to is here and this. Now if I look at the code on the side of Uno, what values are supposed to be sent back? 61. In case that C is 0, I should get back 61. If position is the size of buffer, I should get 200. Well, from SPI 2, that is correct. SPI 1 says 48. Now one of the things is that if you look at the size of the buffer, which I changed last time to 26, and this is the buffer that both strings go in, it actually makes a lot of sense. Because I'm sending two strings after another. And the second string is completely filling the whole buffer. So if the whole buffer is filled, then you get 200 back. So this does not make sense. Why is 42 being sent anyway? Right here I have an SPDR of 62. But when is stuff being sent back? That's a good question. It is being sent back anyway. Here we have 32, 248 again, 61. So this is being sent back as well. Now the only one that I'm looking for also is 62, not 48. When is 48 being sent? If ever. When SPDR is being assigned 48. Here, as it is being quite well since I tested this is 62. Here nothing else changes. Neither does it here. So is SPDR changed here anywhere? No. So I really have to look here. Another thing is that SPDR new is what? SPDR, yeah, and now I will have to look at this one. 48 is coming along. Like here, yeah, here, 48. Is being passed along quite frequently because of the string. SPDR new 65, etc., etc. But conditionally, it's not being assigned. So why is it 48 so many times? And here we have the string again. So effectively it doesn't matter. I only need to see then that if C is 0, 0 print in SPDR in 0 is SPDR. And let's see what else. So it will be 62 only if it is conditioned, but is it being sent? And it is rapidly being processed. And let's take a look if we can detect it somehow. SPDR. It's going fast, very fast. Here, see here. New is 48, SPDR in 0, which is exactly here. So let's go back a bit. And that is exactly in this place. And then SPDR is 10. Then we get 0 command. And then we should get SPDA is 62. But are we getting it? That is the big question. SPDA RA in this is 10. So this means that this assignment right here is still not alright. It will never be sent. For a very simple reason that this is not working. Is that important? Not quite sure actually. I can just skip it, but I wish I knew why this assignment is not being right. Because this assignment is being okay. I see it flying by at times. This assignment is being alright, just not this one. So let's see if we can do that, something about that one. And when observing output that scrolls by, I noticed something I didn't notice before. Not just this SPDR is 62, but here as well. SPDR that is sent back. Now, I mentioned before that this buffer, when it has its full size filled, contains the two strings, SPI1 and SPI2, the strings that are sent from here. But here I see that SPI is 200, but also not just SPI2, SPI1 is also 200. So how can that be? How can both SPI1 and 2 be 200 when only string 1 and string 2 in combination fill the whole buffer? That is something very curious. And for the rest, yes, 48, and here again 200, and once again 1 and 2 giving 200. and only 2 giving 200. SPI 2 giving 48. Well, that is because of timing. And it is showing quite a difference because I reduced the speed of this motor by means of this potmeter. But then again, so what can I do here? So this is SPI 1, which is quite clear. And here I have SPI 2, which is quite clear. Now this is selecting high and then low to send and receive and then making it high again. What would happen if I make just another low and high without sending anything? Just to receive things. What would happen then? Would I then receive something here? I would say it wouldn't matter, but on the other hand, why is this not working? Because there's an assignment and the only thing I get here is a 10. Well, at least that's what it looks like. And here it is completely filled. And then here once again in 0 is 10. Why 10? What is coming oh, I just realized something. What are the ASCII values exactly? That is what it is about. As well, because these are all ASCII values, and these are all ASCII values that are being sent. This is all ASCII. So let me check on the ASCII values that I've used. Might explain things. Might. So looking at the ASCII table. There are 256, yes, 256 because it's starting at 0, but 256 possible characters. Not all of characters will be visible because a lot of them have to do with direct communication. And this is by now very old school but still applicable. Don't forget that. Then extended ASCII codes. Well, you see characters that are unfamiliar to English language people, but in European character tables like Germany, French and Scandinavian, they are quite used, quite a lot. And these are Spanish, Scandinavian, French, and some money signatures, pound table, yen table, mathematics, and of course, in the time of non-graphical displays, some characters that are used to form displays anyway. But apart from that, the characters that they use, well, number 200 is just a number, but in the ASCII code. Alright, then lot of C, 48, which is 0. 62, right here. 61, and yes, let's look at this one. And are we getting it, yes or no? Have to wait for it. Probably no. New is 10, and here we are. Here it should have been not 10 but 62. Then C2 is 65 suddenly. What is 10? 10 is new line. The 10 is new line. Is there a new line somewhere in the code? Well, here is a new line, but this is a 0. If C is 0, so what do I get here? SPDR in 0. SPDR is 10, and 10, but 10 is a new line, so that doesn't make sense. Then C2 is 65. Is 65 capital A? 65 is capital A. So that is correct. So here I assign P is capital A and C2 says yes, 65. So that is entirely correct. But then I assign SPDR is 62, which is greater than. But what do I get instead? 10. Which makes no sense at all. Unless, so what it, and yes, keep in mind that the digit 10, decimal 10, is formed out of a 1 and a 0, which is 10 to the power 1 and 10 to the power 0, which forms decimal 10. So you will never find 10 in this character column, only in here where it is a new line, which doesn't make sense. So, and then another one is, this makes no sense at all. So, SPDR A is 10, CR is equal to SPDR, so CR should be 62, and instead CR is being printed as 1010. Well, I don't have to look for that, that is nonsense. And then SPDR new is 10. In short, unresolved. Should I forget about it? Maybe, because the rest is more or less working. So, this is working, and I know that because this is working. What can I do more? Is there more to do? What I could do is indeed just add another low and high and see whatever SPDR is coming from it. Just to see whatever happens, if necessary. And then here I have an R2. But that would not be nice, it would not be logical, since the only thing that I can get from it is when I do this. Because in this I assign the transfer value SPDR from SPI transfer to R1, and right then I print the SPDR value, so it makes no sense. No, it doesn't make sense. So, how to go on? And this is then the last segment of this episode again. As you can see, the motor stands still again, so let me once again try to get it running. And once again it shows some problems, so I'll let it be for now. My goals were for this video getting that motor to run, which initially worked, finding out more about the SPI and comparing it to ASCII table, which kind of worked. Is there anything more to discover and to do? No doubt. I might start using the Uno just on itself. Might. For now, experiments are done and over. It was SPI and it was mechatronics. So, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment. You might as well give new ideas. Up to you. You can also follow me on Instagram. Please like and leave a comment. You can also follow me on Twitter. If so, please retweet, like and leave a comment. Some people do. Very much appreciated. Also appreciated is if you make a donation to appreciate your enthusiasm for my videos, for my blog. You can also become a patron and have your name mentioned as a supporter. More information on my website. And this is going to be continued somehow, some form, but new ideas come all the time. Thanks for watching.